with Simon and Josephine, we're going to show you how to make pocket paintings. It's fun and it's very simple, and you'll see it's also a very rich, generative, creative process that you can use in many ways. A pocket painting is a small round painting that you can put in your pocket and that you can use to take pictures in your environment wherever you go. So the first step is to create a painting. It is best to use a paper that is thick, like cardboard or watercolor paper. Because it's thick, it won't bend in your pocket later on. Then cut out a 3 to 4 inch small circle out of a white sheet of paper. You can use scissors or circular punch. And if you are an adult, an X-Acto blade also works. Put the stencil on your painting, and when you see a detail that you like, trace the circle with the pencil. Then you just have to cut out your circle and you have your pocket painting. Simon went a little too fast on this one. Another way to do your pocket painting is to start by cutting your circle first and then painting it. Once you have your pocket paintings, all you have to do is choose a few and put them in your pocket. Now you can go for a walk, and don't forget to take your mobile phone or a camera with you, because you will need it. When you see something that grabs your attention, make a composition with a pocket painting and take the picture. Here we are in our village in the south of France, but you can make your installation wherever you are, in your home, by the sea, in the city. Wherever you are, there are things to look at and discover. There are infinite possibilities, and the pocket paintings will help you look at your environment differently. If you'd like, you can send us your best pictures or post them on Instagram. The address is Pocket Painting Project. You can also send your pocket paintings to your family and friends so that they can take a picture with them in their environment and send them back to you. You can also send them this video and ask them to do their own pocket paintings. Send them to you so that you can play and make pictures with them. It is a great way to connect and share. You can have fun with pocket paintings at any age, whether you are an artist or you think you can't paint. So enjoy the process.